Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u square, because if I put this one gone here and here, we can cancel the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So we put this one gone here and this one gone here. The s we change for this one. So this one that is about u, this one that is about u. So to u and u we have to u square. Next, we have the second formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So 2u square multiplied by this one and number 1. So the integration of u square, that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. So we put positive number 1, 2 plus 1, we have number 3 and number 3 in here. So we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to 2u square. So if we do first the derivative, we have for u du dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have tan u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. So we need to focus on this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to u. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. dv, that is about tan u du. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of cosine u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. So negative and negative, we have positive. And now we have the integration ln of cosine u du. Now about this one, we can use about Fourier series in here. So in this situation, this one that should be about like this. Now we need to transform ln cosine u into this one. Ln number 2, we have u ln number 2 minus the integration of cosine, we have sine 2uk, and we have 2k in here, and k, we have 2k squared, and I will put about c. And now we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we have u equals to the square root of s. So we need to transform u into this one. So this is the final answer we need to write in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question.